Welcome to this tutorial on designing a login page using Figma. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to navigate Figma, sign in, access your project, and create a visually appealing login interface. Begin by opening your web browser and heading over to the Figma website. Once the site loads, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page where you will see the option to log in. Select the login option to proceed with your work. After clicking login, you will be presented with various sign-in methods. Choose the option that lets you continue with your Google account. This method simplifies the process by linking your existing Google credentials with Figma. When prompted, select the Google account you wish to use. This action successfully logs you in and takes you to the Figma dashboard where all your projects are stored. Now that you have signed in, navigate to your desired project. This means you need to locate the project where you plan to create your login page design. Once you have accessed your project, it is time to start assembling the design elements. Begin by locating the Shape tool in Figma. This tool is essential as it allows you to draw basic shapes that will serve as building blocks for your login interface. After selecting the Shape tool, draw a rectangle that will act as the background or main canvas of your login page. Think of this rectangle as the foundation upon which you will build all other elements. With your background established, head over to the fill settings where you can change the background color of the rectangle. Adjust the color to match your design vision. If you prefer a more dynamic look, you also have the option to add a gradient by selecting the linear option in the fill settings. This helps to create a more visually engaging background. After setting up your background, create another shape that will serve as the login dialog box. This shape will house the login form components and other interactive elements. Once drawn, click on the option for adjusting corner radius and modify it to produce a softer, rounded appearance. Altering the corner style can make your design feel more modern and user-friendly. Next, return to the fill settings again to change the color of the login dialog box. Choose a color that contrasts well with your background, ensuring that the dialog box stands out while maintaining harmony with the overall design. You may also adjust the opacity and appearance of this shape to achieve the desired visual effect. After perfecting the dialog box, add an additional shape that will act as a text box. This element is important as it will eventually contain the labels for user input. For example, instructions for what to enter in the username and password fields. To streamline your design process, duplicate the created shapes to make separate text boxes for both the username and the password. Duplication saves time and keeps a consistent appearance. Now insert text into the appropriate text boxes. In the first text box, type the words username or email, indicating where the user should enter their identification information. In the second text box, type the word password. Finally, make any necessary adjustments by changing the colors of the text and ensuring they are aligned perfectly within their designated text boxes. Following these steps allows you to create a professional looking login page using Figma. Enjoy experimenting with different color combinations and layouts as you develop a design that suits your project's needs.